In this video, I'll show you how to use multiple ChatGPT accounts the right way. Before we start, it's important to keep this clear. OpenAI does allow separate ChatGPT accounts, and OpenAI's Help Center says you can use multiple accounts with the built-in account switcher. At the same time, each account is meant for one user, and OpenAI says account sharing is not allowed because of security and misuse risks. So if your goal is to keep work and personal use separate, or to manage a personal account and a managed work account, that is the proper use case. OpenAI says the account switcher lets you stay signed in to two ChatGPT accounts at the same time, and it keeps chats, memory, history, billing, and workspaces separate. OpenAI also says switching accounts does not merge them. Here's how to do it. Sign into your first ChatGPT account as usual. Then open the account menu and add your second account. OpenAI's help page explains that you do not need to sign out of your current account to add another one. And after that, you can switch between the two accounts instantly. Now, if you want more than two accounts, OpenAI's Help Center says you can still create additional accounts, but you'll need to log out to access more than two at once. So the account switcher is designed for two active sign-ins in the same session, not unlimited simultaneous accounts in one browser session. There's also an important subscription detail. OpenAI says subscriptions are tied to the specific ChatGPT account that bought them, and mobile subscriptions cannot be shared across multiple ChatGPT accounts. OpenAI also says ChatGPT subscriptions cannot be transferred from one account to another. That means if you create a second account, its billing and subscription status stay separate unless you subscribe on that account too. And one more important warning. Do not use multiple accounts to share access with other people, resell access, or try to get around restrictions. OpenAI's policies say login credentials should not be shared between multiple users on one account, and business terms also prohibit reselling or leasing access. So the simple answer is this: yes, you can have multiple ChatGPT accounts for legitimate personal or work separation. Just sign into one account, add the second account with the account switcher, and switch between them as needed. Keep in mind that each account stays separate, each subscription stays with the account that purchased it, and each account should only be used by one person. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.